Invoice LinkedIn 60-second and a bit seminar, episode 4, skills, why they're important and the new feature in skills. LinkedIn skills have always been important because essentially they're keywords. You can invent a skill which then highlights your category of one, which is very important. You can also then make sure that you now, with this new feature, you can actually add them to certain sections of your profile, your experience, your research projects and your publications, to name but a couple. It's crucial, I think, to get this area right. And if LinkedIn are investing the time in allowing us to do this, then I think that LinkedIn almost are reinventing skills. And by adding them to various sections of your profile, you're giving yourself extra credibility. You're highlighting what you're good at. And I think it's very important to make sure that we do focus on that and we use this feature. But more than anything, I think that skills become keywords, become hashtags. They are the things that people find you for. And if your ideal client is looking for a marketing expert, then make sure that you use that keyword throughout your profile.